What's good, y'all? It's your boy Louis to go back again with another video. But today it's your boy Chef Louis, and we're back on another episode. And today we're gonna be making these beautiful golden fries. You feel me? So they taste just like Wendy's. I promise you, no lie. So let's get on to the ingredients. First off, you're gonna need a potato that you have boiled already. This potato was already boiled the day before, so you don't have to worry about that. Got a cutting board here, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, feel me? You're gonna need that to make the fries. You're gonna need a pot full of oil, as you can see. So, you know, make sure you got that, you know, got all that going, you feel me? You're gonna need some salt to season them fries, or that's optional really if you don't want no salt. It's up to you, but also got some of that pink salt, that Himalayan salt, you feel me? And then also you're gonna need a blade, once again, not for stabbing, or it's just for cutting, you feel me? Don't try to go catch a case. So anywho, as you see here, we're just gonna plop that potato there. You know what I'm saying? There's gonna be a little whip-de-whoop wop there. That's from editing. I tried to do something there, don't worry about it. Anywho, so what you're gonna do, you need to cut the potato. If you have a bigger potato, just do the same thing that I'm doing anyway. It doesn't matter what size the potato is. Here I got like a little medium, kind of average potato size. So what you're gonna do, you need to slice it right in the middle, as you can see there, so you end up having with two halves. So after you having two halves here, now you want to take your knife. It's kind of hard for me to concentrate to cut what I need to do, so I don't know what I'm trying to do. I was trying to find out how I was gonna cut it, so yeah, I don't know what I was trying to do there, but anywho, so you just cut you just now cut the halves into like little strips, like thick little slabs. So you see I'm really struggling here, the skin pulling off and all that. Skin is also good to eat, you already know, but just use that and whatever. You see I'm struggling like the most. So I decided, you know, this is just too hard though. But you know what you got to do. Just slice some, you know, just slice them in slabs there, like thick slabs. If you don't have a big, huge potato, then you know you can just cut them into like smaller slabs. So you're gonna end up having slabs like this, as you see, especially the one right there at the far end of the cutting board. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make the fries. So you see, all you gotta do is just make a straight line, do the slabs, and there's your fry right there. There's nothing to it. And then if it's too long, you can just cut it right in the middle, and then you just have smaller fries. And that's pretty much to it. That's all. You just make the fries that easy and simple. Very easy, simple recipe. It's not really even a recipe. It's just something that I end up coming up with. So, you know, that's all you gotta do. Just cut the slabs into skinny little strips, and that's your fries, as you can see here. Here as I demonstrate. Of course, when you bake not bake the potato, but when you boil the potato in the pot already, it's gonna, you know, you won't be able to make like little strips. But here is the aftermath. I went ahead and went off camera and cut all of them. So you see some of them actually look like fries. Now you see, you need to start having your oil already preheated. I got it on 6 here, and you can tell your oil is ready because it has some lines in there, if you can see. So now I took the oil out. It was pretty hot, so I'm gonna let y'all hear this sizzle real quick. The sizzling, you hear? Yes, sir. So I know y'all hear that sizzling. That sizzling was that's the good sizzle, you feel me? But yeah, you just start throwing your fries into the oil, the pot of your oil, you know. Just go ahead and have them fried just like they are, you know. If you want seasoning fries and you want to fry it, you know, you just put some seasoning on the fries and then you fry them. But other than that, if you want just regular plain, you know, you just drop them in there. So you see these guys, they looking beautiful in that oil. Like, just look at them, y'all. Look at them. They looking delicious. All them bubbles and everything in there. You feel me? Another switcheroo here. I don't know what's happening there, but as you can see, eventually they're gonna start looking like this brown thing. Now they're gonna, of course, the first batch is gonna get real stiff at first, so you gotta make sure they're done the right way. So you know, yeah, I'm saying, look at that, woo! And bro, the smell was awesome. So also you're gonna need a bowl to put some paper towels. In this case, it was tissue because we had none. But look at these beautiful homemade baked potato fries, bruh. Like, these things look, ooh, these things look good, bruh. And they were good. I ain't gonna cap, they taste just like Wendy's fries. I'm sorry, I know that sounds very unbelievable, but you gotta try it out yourself. And now the reveal. Look at these golden brown, cooked to perfection, salted fries. Very delicious, y'all. Very delicious indeed. If you guys did enjoy this cooking recipe or this little cooking episode, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And enjoy y'all fries. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.